Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Face ID must be set on your iPhone and Cash App updated. Once done, unlock the phone and make sure your device passcode is active. This anchors biometric security. Now open Cash App, tap your profile icon, and find Privacy and Security. You proceed immediately to the Face ID toggle. Do not skip verifying Apple ID. This gets you in the right section to authorize biometric sign-in and protect payments and balance access. Once in Privacy and Security, toggle Face ID for both sign-in and payments, because one controls app access and the other authorizes transactions. You will be asked to authenticate with your device passcode. Enter it to confirm. Make sure the app has permission to access secure biometric APIs. Cash App uses the System Face ID prompt rather than its own selfie scan. After you allow permissions, perform a quick sign-out, and sign in to validate that Face ID now replaces entering. To finalize, sign out of Cash App and sign back in to confirm Face ID works for access and payments. If Face ID does not authenticate, make sure your face is unobstructed and lighting is adequate. Then re-register Face ID in iPhone settings and retry. If problems persist, update Cash App, reboot the phone, and check for iOS updates. A key troubleshooting tip: delete and reinstall Cash App only after re-registering Face ID, because a reinstall forces permission, prompts to refresh, and often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.